What are the contents of a marketing plan? A marketing plan typically includes several key components, including executive summary, a brief overview of the marketing plan and its objectives, situation analysis, an analysis of the current market environment, including the competition, customer demographics, and industry trends, target market, a detailed description of the target audience, including their needs, preferences, and buying behaviors. Marketing objectives. Specific, measurable goals that the marketing plan aims to achieve, such as increased sales or brand awareness. Marketing strategy. A detailed plan for how the company will reach and engage with the target audience, including the marketing mix, product, price, place, and promotion. Tactics and action plan. The specific tactics and activities that will be used to implement the marketing strategy, along with a timeline for execution. Budget. A breakdown of the costs associated with implementing the marketing plan, including expenses for advertising, promotions, and other marketing activities. Metrics and evaluation. A plan for measuring the success of the marketing plan, including key performance indicators, KPIs, and a process for tracking progress and making adjustments as needed. By including these components in a marketing plan, businesses can create a comprehensive roadmap for how they will achieve their marketing objectives and drive growth in their target market.